Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 3 on the topic of Chapter 28, Capital Letters and Punctuation Marks. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 28, Capital Letters and Punctuation Marks. Students, this is our 13th lecture and 11th homework. I am repeating, this is our 13th lecture and 11th homework. Students, for today's class, take your New Indian Grammar book and open chapter 28. With your book, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll do some exercises after discussing this chapter. So let's begin. Chapter 28, name capital letters and punctuation marks. Students, look at these examples. When you come home, there are many people at the bus stop. What a pretty picture. Okay, here we have written all sentences starting with capital letter, and at the end we use question mark, full stop and sign of exclamation. So we have to know what is capital letter and punctuation mark. Capital letters have very important functions which are mentioned in this table. Okay, look here, from this you can get some information about capital letters. First word of a sentence. So when we'll write a sentence, first word start with capital letter. For example, we can say there are many trees in the park. Look here, there. There is the first word of this sentence. That's why we write T in capital letter. Number 2, names of people and pets. When we'll write the name of any people or pet, we'll write in capital letters. Jiang Singh, Pepe. These are names of people and pets. That's why we write in capital letter. Number 3, the personal pronoun I. Remember that when we'll use personal pronoun as subject, it must be in capital letter. For example, we can show I love jelly. Here I is personal pronoun and we have written it in capital letter. As it is also the beginning of the sentence, it will be in capital letter. Now come to number 4, titles of people. Miss, Mr., Doctor, Professor. Look, Miss, Mr., Doctor, Professor. These are called title of people. That's why all are in capital letter. Number 5, days of the week and months of the year. Here, Saturday, August. This is the names of months. That's why we have written them in capital letter. August is the month and Saturday is the name of day. So come to number 6, names of places. Mumbai, Karachi. This is the names of some places, and we can add here Dhaka, Chattogram, and others we can say Kumilla. So this will be in capital letters as it is mentioned for place. Number 7, first word in direct speech. For example, we can say she said, I am so happy. Okay, look, we say or will say first word in direct speech. So here we find the direct speech and first word I. It's in capital letter. Number 8, nationalities and languages. For nationalities and languages, we have to use capital letters. For example, we can say American, English, we can say Bengali, So all these will be in capital letter. Number 9, the keywords in book titles. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. So these are the title of books and we have to write them in capital letter. Number 10, names of holidays and special events. Sports Day, Independence Day, Diwali. These are the examples of holidays. So this will be in capital letter also. We use exclamation marks at the end of sentences to show strong feelings such as joy, surprise or anger. Students, I am repeating the rule again. We use exclamation marks at the end of the sentence to show strong feelings such as joy, surprise or anger. For example, look at this. What luck! Mother has given me money for 2 ice creams. Help, help, there is a fire. So with this, we are showing our surprise, joy. In first one, we are expressing our joy because mother has given money for ice cream. It's a matter of joy. And next one, help, help, there is a fire. It's not joy, it's surprise. You can say it's wonder, it's fearness. We also use exclamation marks at the end of some sentences when we give orders. Put your head down, sit down at once. Okay, here we are saying we also use exclamation marks at the end of some sentences when we give orders. So in 2 examples, these are orders and that's why we use sign of exclamation. Now students will do some exercise based on capital letters and punctuation marks. Our question is, rewrite the sentences with the correct punctuation marks and capital letters. Here we have given some sentences and you have to write them properly, maintaining capital letters and punctuation marks. Number 1, who discovered America? At the end, we find the sign of exclamation or exclamation mark. Okay, our sentence starts with capital letter. So no problem here. Our problem is at the end. Here we can't use this sign. This is a normal sentence, is it? No, this is an interrogative sentence. That's why we have to use question mark at the end of the word. When we'll find WH question, that means who, what, how, why, when. This type of words, and if it is an interrogative sentence, we have to put question mark at the end of any sentence. Now I'm writing the sentence correctly. Who, look here, W will be in capital letter, so it's okay. Who discovered, D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R-E-D. Who discovered America? A-M-E-R-I-C-A. This is a question, so we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Who discovered America? Now come to number 2. My aunt Shima lives in Nehru Nagar. Here we find question mark. Is it okay? Students, can you guess? Is it okay? Here question mark is okay? No, it's not okay. We are not asking any question to this sentence. So it is a normal sentence and we have to put full stop at the end of this sentence. So write with me. My aunt Shima. Here Shima is a name of a person, so we have to write S in capital letter. Shima lives in Nehru Nagar. This is a name of a place, so this will be in capital letter N-A-G-A-R, Nehru Nagar. So this is a simple sentence, and after simple sentence we have to use full stop. My aunt Shima lives in Nehru Nagar. Number 3, Ravi's birthday is in June. Here, to fault. Can you find out the false? Look this sentence carefully and find out the false. We know the name of months or days will be in capital letter and we have to use proper punctuation mark. So we find the name June. It is a name of month, and at the end of the sentence we can't use this sign. Okay, write with me. Ravi's. This is the starting of the sentence. That's why we use capital letter. Ravi's birthday. Ravi's birthday is in June. J will be in capital letter, and as it also a simple sentence, so we have to put full stop here. Ravi's birthday is in June. Number 4, Jason and Ajis played cricket in National Park. Here we find normal sentence and it's okay that it ends with full stop. But the problem is at the beginning. Jason and Ajis. We find these are in small letter, but this is as we know that these are the name of people, so we have to write them in capital letter. So Jason will be in capital letter, so J will be in capital. Jason and Ajis. So A will be in capital, not in small letter. Ajis played cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket in National Park. National Park. Okay, so this is our answer. Jason and Ajis played cricket in National Park. Number 5, how wonderful this place is. Okay, we are expressing our feelings. We are wonderful. We are expressing our wonderness. So here we can't use question mark. We must have to use the sign of exclamation or exclamation marks. So I'm writing the answer. How wonderful this place is, and it will be ended with the sign of exclamation. How wonderful this place is. Number 6, where are you going today? Okay, students, look, we have to write here in capital letter. Where are you going today? T-O-D-A-Y. And can you guess at the end of this sentence what mark will be given? Is it full stop? Is it the question mark or a sign of exclamation? Look, the sentence starts with WH question, that means where. So definitely we have to use question mark at the end of this sentence. Where are you going today? Number 7, we have school on Saturdays. Okay, we find Saturday. This is the name of a week. So we have to write the word in capital letter. We have school on Saturdays. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y-S. Saturdays. We have school on Saturdays. So this is complete sentence because we write the word with capital letter. Number 8, when can Mira and I visit you? Okay, here we find again the same mistake. Here we can't use this sign. We have to use question mark instead of exclamation mark. Write the answer. When can Mira and I visit you? So with this sentence I'm asking question, so we have to use question mark here. When is one of question word. So students, I hope you have understood this topic and I have given your homework. Your homework will be exercise 1 to 8. Exercise 1 to 8 will be your homework, and no need to pick the questions, just write the answer with proper capital letter and punctuation marks. So I'm repeating again, your homework will be exercise 1 to 8, only answer, and don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Our lecture number will be 13 and homework number is 11, and the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.